Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a healthy breakfast for weight loss. This is a simple remedy if you want to lose weight, so stay tuned. So to make this breakfast smoothie, I'll be making use of 1 tablespoon of chia seed. Chia seed is high in protein, fiber, which will help for weight loss. So I'm going to add the chia seed into a bowl, add water and allow it to soak for about 10 minutes. The reason why I soak the chia seed is for easy digestion. So another wonderful ingredient I'll be making use is flaxseed. I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of flaxseed. Flaxseed is rich in fiber, omega-3 fatty acid. It will also help to keep you full. I'll be making use of 4 tablespoons of oats. Oats is rich in nutrients like magnesium, zinc, fiber. Oats will help to aid digestion and also for better gut health. So I'm going to add water and allow to soak for about 5 minutes. So with a strainer, I'm going to strain to remove the water from the chia seed and the oats. For this smoothie, I'll be making use of almond milk. Feel free to use any milk of your choice. I'll add the milk into the blender, add the flax seed, I'll add the soaked oats, I also have 1 apple which I've already peeled and cut into smaller pieces. So I'm going to add the apple. You can choose to add dates. When I'm done adding, I'm going to blend until smooth. Finally, the healthy weight loss breakfast is ready. You can enjoy 1 cup of this in the morning. This healthy weight loss breakfast is so good because it is rich in fat and protein and some other nutrients which will help to keep you full to avoid overeating. The last ingredient I'll be adding is the soaked chia seed. Then you can enjoy 1 cup of this. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.